Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a product that's really popular on YouTube. You've probably seen them around before, and it's the charging dock that fits between your cup holders and your front sliding drawers on your Tesla Model Ys and Model 3s. Let's get into it. So you may have seen these before, or a product like this on YouTube. They're really popular, like I said, but they're a charging dock that's going to fit kind of in that area I described between the cup holders and that front sliding drawer. So this is kind of what it looks like. This product came to me from Tesla C. I partnered with them again for this video. Big thank you to them for sending this over to me. But let's unbox it and get into it. And I'll show you guys what it comes with. So this one's kind of unique, and I really like the look of it. It has some ambient lighting on it. So a lot of these are just kind of a really simple charging dock, but this one's really cool. It has kind of an ambient light on it that should do some really neat things, react to music and some other good stuff. So you get a nice instruction manual here with some instructions on how to use it. Let's look at the actual product itself. Super nice. Nice packaging. These are the ports that are going to fit down into that cubby that are already down there. And then this product comes with 2 USB-C ports as well as 2 of the USB-A ports, the regular ones. Let's go ahead and finish getting this uninstalled, unpackaged. Taking kind of a quick look at it, it's pretty hefty. It's got some nice weight to it. There's a nice protective film over this. I'll peel this off later once we get it kind of installed in the car. But I really like the look of it. I think it's nice and sleek. I didn't want one that had a whole bunch of like cords hanging out of it all the time, or anything like that. Just something nice where if we needed a faster charge, we could easily plug our phones into this and top them up instead of using the wireless charging pad. So let's hop over. I'm gonna get you guys a better angle and we're gonna see what it takes to install this in the car. All right, so we have the product unboxed here and ready to go. This is a super simple install, almost plug and play. Inside your actual cubby hole down here, there's 2 USB-C ports that are already kind of on the inside here, which is what this kind of dock is gonna plug into. So let's just go ahead and get that lined up. Get that plugged in real quick. 1, 2. Make sure that's, well, there you go. It already lit up for us. Super nice. You can already see it kind of responding to the sound of my voice, which is super cool, kind of music activated. So I like that. All right, so once you get that part kind of installed, the rest is kind of you tilt it into these kind of grooves on the side at an angle here. Kind of these grooves along both sides of your actual tray window. Let's see what that takes. Kind of line it up nice and underneath there, and then slide it all the way down. Make sure you don't have a lot of gunk or dirt and junk down in there. And then you're pretty much done. That kind of, your door closes kind of nice. I kind of like that. I think it's really sharp. It's a nice ambient LED light. And there's different modes from what I understand. So there's a button over here. So if you click it, okay, now that time it'll come from this side. So it just changes the direction of the sound of the light here. And one more. Oh, there you go. It goes from the sides. And let's see, there it goes from the, maybe from the middle. Yeah. So when I'm talking, it goes from the middle there. So pretty cool. Just kind of lighting feature right off the bat. I really like that. Let's see what else it does. Another cool feature I want to show you guys is the ambient lighting and the color change feature. So if you take this little button over here, which is what I've been using to change kind of the direction of the voice pickup, if you give it a double click, it changes to an ambient lighting feature. So it's no longer picking up my voice, it just kind of cycles through the light colors. I think that's pretty cool as well. The best thing about it is if you kind of push the button again when it's in this ambient lighting feature, it captures that color and then turns it into that music or the voice recognition. So let's try to find a nice red here, right there. So I got it. I kind of missed it. It's orange now. But I kind of capture that color, and now it's the orange that's responding to my voice instead of the kind of purplish color that was before. So now it's just one cycle's changing through the voice recognition modes. If you're jamming out in here and you got some music blasting, this thing will just pick it up and dance right along with you. So I really like that. A quick double click, and you're back into that nice ambient lighting feature where it just kind of cycles through the colors. Really nice. Well, that about wraps up this install. It's really clean. I really like this charging dock. I think it's going to add a lot of beneficial factors to the car, and I think it looks really cool. Big thank you to Tesla C for sending this over to me. I think this is a really high quality product. It looks like it's going to last. It has some nice functionality with the USB-C ports, which is what I use all the time now, but you could easily charge your iPhone, your other devices if you need to as well, or just that little extra kick if your wireless chargers aren't getting the job done. If you're interested in this product, links will be down in the description, as well as my discount code here on the screen, Gamble1080. Use that discount code at Tesla C's website, save you some money, helps out the channel. I just appreciate you guys coming back and tuning into another video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.